This has got to be the dumbest thing I've ever done. And actually, maybe the coolest. I would consider it to be pretty sick, actually. But this is my 2005 Audi S4 Avant. It's the V8 with a 6-speed. Made it to a Westphalia detachable trailer hitch, followed up with the USA Trailer Store Ace folding motorcycle trailer. Single motorcycle trailer at that, because I only have one bike. Today, we are going to be testing a very short run with the bike on the trailer and without the bike on the trailer, just to see in around the town situations what this is capable of. And then we'll move on to a longer road test at that. But this right here, you gotta admit, it does look pretty cool. What? Look at it! Oh! Oh, all right. So trailer's hooked up, maiden voyage. Here we go. I hope nothing goes wrong. And it is hotter than all get out. Man. Oh, I didn't think about the seatbelt here. That's all right. It's gonna get interesting. Here we go, maiden voyage. We got the 360 camera, we've got an empty trailer, and we're gonna go around the block. I still don't have trailer wiring set up yet, and the camera's in a really sketchy position on my dash. So I guess let's see what happens. Maybe. Hoping everything goes well. At least the thought. I can't even see the damn trailer, and we're off. Oh yeah, I can hear it already. This thing sounds like it's gonna fall apart. Ooh, oh, hello. Everything seems okay. Yeah, you can't go yet. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know. Wow. I don't know why I am so nervous for this. This is nerve-wracking. It's like the car kind of like feels just like a hint slower. We don't even have the bike on it yet, but I feel like it knows that it's got some weight. And I know some basic rules. Oh, what are they doing? That looks fun. I know some basic rules, especially if you have a manual and you're trailering in a car format like this. Sixth gear is usually your weakest gear, so you never want to be in sixth gear, and I wouldn't go over 65 miles an hour. Now that's just my personal recommendations and what I'll do, but at the same time, you know, 6 of one, half dozen of another. You choose to do what you want to do. But so far, like, everything feels fine empty. But you can hear this darn thing just rattling around, my goodness. Every small bump is I know it'll quiet down when the bike gets on there, but holy smokes, is it just sounds like it's rattling itself to pieces. All right, now with the bike on there. And my camera overheated last time, so I'm gonna move you a little bit lower so you don't overheat. Here we go. Now I don't have a good mounting solution for this camera right now, so sorry, just deal with it there. You'll hear me. All right, again, this is gonna be a short trip. I'm not going long here. I just, initial tests. See how the car does, see how the bike does, see how the trailer does. It's a horrifyingly windy day, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. It's so much quieter though. Like immediately, like you can tell, it is so much quieter. Obviously, when you put 350 pounds on it. Now the entire setup, you figure with the trailer that is 300 pounds, and you've got the motorcycle that is, we'll give or take wet, we'll go on the high side, we'll go 400 pounds, right? So math, 4, 5, 6, 700 pounds I am towing right now. So my trailer hitch itself is weighted up to 2,000 pounds. And I think it can go a little bit higher than that since it is mounted to the frame, and you guys saw that install. But it should be more than okay at 700 pounds, being very generous on the weight for both the bike and the trailer. I think everything would be okay. You can definitely still feel it in the car. It does try to hesitate a little bit more. It does kind of, okay, we'll go now, instead of a nice good snap that it usually has without all the weight on the trailer, or even the trailer in general. So yeah, let's keep driving. Let's see what this does. Oh yeah, come on. Big bumps. Handle it well. Handle it in the corner well. Oh. It looks like it's so close to the back of this car too. All right, 5th gear, about a cruising speed, going 45, right at the speed limit, and everything seems pretty good. It is a windy day out there today, but it's still holding on well. I've got the, ooh, panic, a lot of panic. So I've still got everything up there. It's not moving too much. It seems pretty good, but you can definitely tell that this car is, oh yeah, this car is feeling it for sure. With the weight, having an early brake here, yeah. So this is definitely something I would not do every day or every weekend at that. This is probably best for either emergency situations or the few times that I go to the track each year. I would, oh, no, 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 yeah, I would definitely recommend not doing this every day, I would not suggest this vehicle as a I would not suggest this vehicle as a tow vehicle. Just saying, you know. Looks cool, it's badass, it's fun. And for the first few times, you gotta have some good picture cred for that. Honestly, when you're going straight on a halfway decent road, you don't even notice. You don't even notice. You're just staring at a motorcycle, and then you come to a turn and you panic and you think everything's gonna fall apart. Oh! But then you're like, no, it's okay. We got this. All right, let's find a place to pull over and assess this situation here. All right, so everything is holding up. Looks good. Strap here. And these are dirt bike channel straps because I bought them thinking I could win a motorcycle, but I didn't. But I've got 4 straps on this. I've got the 2 to the front, and then I've got 2 that pretty much run off this axle here. A little bit weird because when you pull this, sometimes the axle shifts, but everything's holding up really, really well. And I'm surprised because this doesn't rattle as much as I thought. This isn't, well, even being used, and quite frankly, there's a lot of extra room towards the back here. Holy smokes, I could do without probably this piece here. Maybe I could take it off, I don't know. But other than that, it looks really, really good. Solid. Okay, let's make it home, take it apart, give a final conclusion here. All right, well, I'll tell you what, look at that. That is some crazy stuff. All right, so what did we learn today? Empty trailer is super loud and, well, sketchy. Loaded trailer with the bike actually works really, really well. I'm surprised, but you can't see anything out of your side view mirrors, and you only have the rear view mirror to see anything. Whatever, super easy to turn, super lightweight. The car did feel it a little bit, but in all reality, the 700 pounds out of a towing capacity of 2,000, not bad. Longevity-wise, I guess we'll see what happens. So, for a short little test around town, 55 miles an hour, I did hit 60 a little bit there, but it performed beautifully. So I'm really excited to take this on a longer road trip, bring it to a track day, and really kind of get some more rolling shots and some fun shots of this. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And remember, keep riding.